Welcome to my place. Hello. You're not gonna say hello?
No.
What else do you guys say? Just hello?
Yeah.
All right. You wanna explain to us what we're doing? Or no? That's messed up, dude. You know people love you. So, since you don't wanna do it, I'll do it. You decide you're gonna do it?
No, thanks.
You wanna see?
See
Why don't you get in here and you guide us, brother? Oh, lens is a little dirty. You wanna guide us? So, first things first, we removed that dash bar. Finally. So, now we're really getting into business. So what are we doing here, Batman?
Just we're taking all this wire and shoving it outside.
Shoving it for what? Do you know? People want to know, brother. All right. Let's show the people what we're doing. All right. So we're feeding all that interior wire harness through that hole out here. And then the plan is to feed it all through there, outside. And then we're going to feed it back inside through this hole. Man, you got a lot of holes. So once it's in here, we will run it behind the dash instead of it being outside now. So that's what we're doing, Batman. Where's my tripod? So, yep. So that's what we are doing today. I wasn't gonna pick up the camera, but I said, man, let's give some good content to our lovely subscribers. So here we are on a Tuesday night, 11 p.m. at night. Batman's sleeping in the doghouse tonight. How do you spell codeine? Oh, our shop name, CP Coating, COATING. So COATING, like coatings, like powder coating. So for those that don't know, our shop name is called CP Coatings. So go to follow on Instagram. I'll link it right here. Right here. Are you giving yourself a banner? Yeah. You are? Let's show the people what kind of banner you're giving yourself. Wow. Is that 3M?
Yeah.
Or is that Avery?
That's some good high quality dust.
That's how long this car's been sitting here, brother. Speaking of long, I gotta take that name down, dude. Every shot I get, that name comes out. By the way, that's the wife's name. She decided she was gonna take ownership of the shop, so she just did her marking there. But let's get back to work and let's finish feeding this wire through. So here we go. You know your name's not Batman anymore, right? It's Cornflake. You want to explain to the viewers why your name's Cornflake? No? Because you're a flaker, bro. How you gonna make plans and then flake? Anyways, let's go into a little time lapse here. In 3, 2, 1. Voila. Batman! You got that cut? You got that cut? Alright, we're almost there. We got a few, this one and this one, and then that should all be through. So 2 more, dude, but I gotta get that fat one in. So let's get this. They are all through. So, oh, easy there, brother. Tangled over here and shit. So, there it is, bro. Spider-Man style. What is all that? Merry Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
What, just take some scissors, cut it right there, and then toss all that in the trash. We will no longer use. We're doing a wire delete. Everything goes. So, now that that's that, we will, let's leave it out of the carded like that. That way we see exactly what runs to the fuse box and what runs to the motor. And whatever runs to the motor, from here, we will disconnect it and then run it back in. And then we'll do the same with the fuse box. Capiche? What do you mean you guess? You gotta be excited for this. Man, I'm not gonna lie, Batman. In my head, it was a lot easier. I thought we were just gonna pull it through, run them back, stick them through, and then plug them back in and start putting them where they have to go. But now that it's out here, it's harder. Like I just realized that I forgot where half of these things are plugged into. So, like I said, you know, like when you play things in your head before you do it, it was a lot easier. Now I just got slapped with reality.
And that shit is gonna go up here.
All that has to go back up into that hole. Or, no, yeah, it has to do that. Because we shoved the fuse box through there. I'm pretty sure we can shove the fuse box back out and then just stick all this through inside. And then just, you know, organize things from there. If we could pull a fuse box out of there. My thing is, I don't know how hard it's gonna be to pull that fuse box out, just because it was a pain to get it in there. But we could try. You wanna try that?
We have to extend these wires again.
I think we could do that actually. We can pull this fuse box back out, right? We can pull this fuse box back out and the PCM and all that and leave it out. And then, not leave it out, bring it back all inside and then just leave the wires that go to the motor, like through the door or something. And then we can unplug one by one, pull it through, stick it in through there, and then plug it back in. And then once it's all out, outside in the bay, we'll do a nice loom and we'll tape it and all that and then set it and forget it.
What do you mean, like unplug the fuse box?
No, we didn't unplug this, dude. There's no way, dude. All this shit's pinned. Look at this crazy mess. All this shit is pinned, so how we got it in here, we just stuffed it through that hole.
Is that another hole?
No, that's that random sound deadening that the Japanese decide to just throw there. Actually, I don't know. Is it a hole? Doesn't feel like a hole. I don't think it's a hole. So, do you get what the whole point of today was, or no? You don't get. You just thought I just wanted to remove all your wires?
Well, yeah.
Well, the whole point of today was, you know how you got all that wire loom sticking outside in your engine bay? And that's how it was gonna stay and look all ugly? So now that we were able to push all that through, we can either, two things. We can go two ways about it. We bring everything through this hole now. So at that point, you're not gonna have any looms outside. Everything's gonna be in here because we're gonna pass it through here. Or we push all this out through there, outside, and then we just bring it all inside. And then we set it up here and we start plugging things and zip tying things where they go. And then the only wires that are gonna go outside will go through there, and that's gonna be for the engine. All right, so just tell me what you want to do. You want to try and fish all those wires out there through here, or you want to fish this through there? I think the easiest way would be fish this through there. That way all the entire harness is outside. Because if we fish those out there in here, there's a lot of wires to fish, but then we still got all the ones connected to the motor going through there, which we don't want. We want them to go through there. So if we fish this out, we'll have all the harness outside, and then at that point, the ones that are connected to the motor can either get unplugged, and then we'll bring all the harness inside, and then just run the ones that go outside to that hole. You get what I'm saying now?
Yeah.
So at the end, all your wires are going to be behind the dash. You're only going to have one loom going outside, and that's, yes, through there. So instead of having all those that we pushed out through there, and then through the engine and all that crap, and then through here, now you're only going to have like maybe 50 wires that go through there. And that's just going to be the motor.
We're taking the whole harness out and then putting it back in here.
Yep. Because how we had it, how it was before, all the wires were going to be shown in your engine. So now, by us doing what we just did, we're able to pull the whole harness, put it in here, zip tie it nicely, and then just run the engine wires to the outside.
So maybe I have to disconnect everything
from the engine? More than likely, we are gonna have to.
Like spark plugs and all that shit?
Yeah.
Today? Tomorrow?
Unless, the only way we won't have to disconnect them is if one of the wires that is from that harness we pulled from here is like individually outside, and we can just run that one through here. But I doubt it. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to do this, which isn't bad because the motor doesn't have that many, you know. You got coils, injectors, you know. Easy there with the shaft. Do you like playing with shafts? Is that what it is?
Oh my God.
No, dude, I'm like, there's no reason for you to just grab the shaft like that.
Broken, that's what I saw. I was like,
It's just a little crazy why you would just grab the shaft like that.
You're
You're gonna what?
said I missed driving this car.
Do you want to tell the people why you're looking like Spider-Man and Superman? Build a car and this is what it is? Red and blue?
Oh, yeah. Because the painters didn't paint the inside.
You don't think it's because you left the full interior in? Well, anyways, let's get back to this. So, let's push that out. So we were able to get the fuse box out. The only thing now holding us back is this miserable ground right here, but it seems to be kind of stripped, so we're gonna try to get it out. And once we get that out, then we'll fish this out, and that's it. And at that point, it'll be Mimi's time. Well, at that point, it'll be it for today. But we got a lot done today. We said we weren't planning on, We weren't planning on doing this today, but, you know, Batman is sleeping in the doghouse. He was bored. He was sniffing his butt all day. So he said, let's work on my car. Is that what happened?
No.
You just got off of work and you figured, I feel like working on cars again.
I had a dream.
You had a dream? You're Martin Luther King, bro?
That I sold this car because I was frustrated.
Oh, God.
So that kind of happened.
$10 I can pull this with my hand. No, dude, give me the ratchet. Oh, and his name's not Batman anymore. It's Cornflake. Cornflake, bro.
Why am I always getting nicknames?
Hey, because you're the only one that sounds good with nicknames.
Eloy didn't get a nickname. And he bailed. Eloy. So he should be.
Well, what are you saying about Eloy?
That he bailed and he didn't get a nickname.
Well, what can we call him? He always bails. So it's nothing new.
True.
So what do you call him?
Eloy.
How about gay? Why aren't you wearing 3F gear today?
I'm gonna show up at it for a while.
For little bits. You got the shorts too to match? Jesus, brother, you're all decked out today, huh? Do you have 3F shorts? You don't have 3F shorts?
Everybody's requesting a beanie though.
Huh?
A lot of people are asking for beanies.
Who's a lot of people?
Me.
Oh, so because you want a beanie now, I gotta order 100 beanies and then only you're gonna get one?
Well, not now. Winter's almost over.
The winter just started here.
Not even. We have one more month. Like
Dude, it's cold here up until February. It barely started getting cold here. Did you see how cold it was today? All the clouds were on the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy, huh? Well, let's get to this and then we'll be back, yeah? How about that? Well, that is gonna conclude today's video. It was a short one, but a good one. I know I already asked you off camera, but on camera, how do you feel about the progress we made today?
Pretty good.
Do you feel like you're gonna go home and Mimi's good? Yeah? You feel like that's one step closer? You're gonna go to work tomorrow and just fill in that little loading mark you have?
I threw it away.
Oh, you threw it away?
Yeah, I was frustrated.
Oh, God. But anyways, here's what we did. Pretty much all the harness is out now. So tomorrow, go back, unplug it from the motor, and take all this inside, and then start from scratch. Put it all inside, and then bring it back outside. But only the engine one now. So that all that other mess is gonna be nice and tucked in there. And set it and forget it. We put your little ugly ass dash bar back on. We put your dash back on. And then you pop your hood and boom, no wires. So it's gonna be good, bro. Look at this guy. Oh, they fit pretty good. You look pretty good. Maybe, you think those are angels? For his angel reindeer games?
It's something Angel would have.
I'm surprised you don't have one. With all his Christmas spirit he loves doing and shit. And there you go, dude. Look at that. Wow. Just like that, you become a slave. Just like that. Well, with that being said, we are out. What do you gotta say, Batman? Nothing? Nothing. Just laters? Nothing? Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. All three. Do the bell.
Oh, you gotta do a little bell. You gotta like, comment, subscribe, and
Hit the bell.
if you like, comment, and subscribe, first one to do it, what do you give them?
Lanyard.
He's gonna give you guys a lanyard. I don't know where he's gonna get it from. I got some, but I don't know how he's gonna get it to you guys. Huh?
He gave me a lot. I still have them in my garage.
Oh. Well, there you go. If you go like and drop a comment below, first one to do it, he's gonna send you guys a lanyard. So I'd go ahead and do that. So that being said, we are out. Wanna say bye? You wanna say bye to Jacob?
Bye, G.
Peace.